In the second video, we were able to differentiate between proper noun and a common noun. So we have learned the special name is a proper noun and the name, general name is a common noun. So now here we will revise once. Special names are names of specific people, places, special place, special person, you can say special thing or a special object. So those names are called proper nouns. And the names of general people means which can be used for any person, which can be used for any animal or a place. So are called common nouns. So if I say school, it becomes common. We don't know which specific school or which school I am talking about. But when I say St. Mary's School, then St. Mary's becomes proper and the word school becomes common. So now, always remember one thing, all the specific names are proper nouns. They are very special and special names are always begin with the capital letter. For example, when I write Arun, so A becomes capital. See here, when I write Arun, so Arun is a special name. So the first letter begins with the capital. So the names of rivers, for example, Ganga, Yamuna, mountains, oceans, months, January, February, March, and the days of the week, the names of books, festivals are all special names, are all proper nouns. So they must begin with the capital letter. Now, based on this, we are going to solve the next two questions. So let's try. See here. Underline the proper nouns and circle the common nouns. Now you are able to differentiate between proper and common. Proper means special, common means general. So now the first sentence is Maggie is my friend. So the word Maggie is a name, but now just think whether it is a special name or a general name. When I say Maggie, or when I say Arun, when I say Rita, so these are special names. So we have to underline the special name. Special name means proper. Special name means proper and common means general. So underline the proper noun. So I underline the word Maggie. It's a naming word, it's a noun, and in that it's a proper noun because it is special. And when I say friend, friend is a name given to a person, but we don't know which special friend. So the word friend is a common noun. So let's have one or two examples randomly. For example, this. On Sundays we go swimming. See children, swimming is a noun, but it is a common noun. And when we read the sentence on Sundays, so you can see that S is capital. That means it's a special name. It's a proper noun. So just underline the Sundays and you can see S is small. So circle this swimming. Okay. Now one more example I would like to take. See here. My best friend likes football. My best friend likes football. When I say friend, friend is a general name. So I will circle this and football. Football is also a common noun as it is the name of sport and the names of sports are all common nouns. So in this way you can try the remaining questions. Let's move ahead for the next question. What is there for us? See here. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters where necessary. Now students, if you remember in lesson number 1, I have taught you sentences, how to identify a sentence. So the same like question is here. Rewrite these sentences. You have to write the sentence using capital wherever necessary. And we have learned the sentence always begins with the capital letter. So that means the first letter of this sentence should go capital. And there is a full stop given here already, but we have to see the capitals wherever we can write. So just now we have learned that all special names begin with the capital letter. So Delhi is in India. So Delhi is a special name given to a city, and India is a special name given to a country. So both should be written in capital. So Delhi is the capital, D-E-L-H-I, Delhi. This D is capital. Is in India. India's I should be capital as it is a special name. Likewise, you can try for the remaining questions. Wish you all the best.